Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I just got some yellow mollies, and there's one back here and one over around the corner making a little nest already after I fed them. There's two of those golden mollies, and I got some little plants in here from them get their natural bacterium and everything, and hope they'll all do good. And striped catfish swimming around, nibbling away at his food. Going behind the coral there. And I got three little tiny striped tetras at the top here. And there's 1, 2, 3 of them. Nibbling away at the top there. They're small little fish. Those are my 5 new little fish I got. Yellow mollies and tetras and nice catfish there. He's happy and really seems to like the camera. Anyways, it looks really cool, and they're all happy. And here's a little sweetie pie. I hope you all enjoy my new fish tank and sweetie. Love you all out there. God bless and Jesus loves you all.